Let me share a secret to becoming a great speaker. Adjectives. These little words can transform any boring sentence into something impressive. Take this lamp. You could call it a lamp, or you could say a magnificent lamp, or a radiant lamp. One word and the whole mood changes. Think about a meeting room. Is it just a room? Or is it a spacious room, a well lit room, or a messy room? Now let's talk about your team. Instead of saying we are a team, say we are a dynamic team or a high performing team. Doesn't that sound much more impactful? Listen to this sentence loaded with adjectives. The gleaming golden lamp emits a warm, enchanting light, making the room feel luxurious. Adjectives bring life to your words. Whether you're describing a meeting, a project, or a teammate, they help you sound interesting and professional. So, next time, don't just say we had a meeting, say we had a productive meeting in a collaborative environment. See the difference? Now, here's a quick quiz for you. Pick one adjective to describe your boss. Is your boss motivating, inspiring, supportive, or authoritative? Drop your answer in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.